Hi, my name is Yang, and I will be explaining about the program for my for the assignment one for the assignment for DSA, which is data structure and algorithm. So for assignment one, we are required to write a program for a task manager using linked list. So at, at the beginning, we will look at the codes. So in our code, we have the class for nodes and also list, which is for the linked list basically. But it's the same as the previous linked list code. But for the class list, I have added a few. I have changed, like for nodes. I changed to having string and int instead of the just int for the numbers. So for the each node, there's going to be a string for keeping task and integer for getting the priority. And in the list, there's new function for basically inserted sort. It will sort according to the priority level, which is the basically priority number. And then there's get size, since I need to know how many stars is in the list. And then get node is also get node, there is any change, but basically it will get the task for the particular index. And then this is just an extra for removing if I want to remove a task from the list. So in the main, we have the output for prompting the user to add or to display or to remove tasks and so on. So depending on the number they choose, they will be able to do different thing with the task manager. So instead of looking through the code, let's look at the how the program runs. So let's see. So when the program runs, it will show basically a list of what user can do. So it's a task, display task using index, or display the whole list of tasks, or remove tasks and end the program, which is that's it. So first off, we can have a look at what happens if I want to display the list of tasks. It will show that there's no task in the list. Yeah. So when I press 1, I can insert the task. So I will just insert the task like cleaning room. And then I can set the priority level, let's set it to 3. So when I display the list of tasks, it will show the task name and the priority. So if I insert another task, for example, playing games with priority of 1, so the task is inserted. So if we use array, we will know that it will put at the index 1. But since we are using sorted linked list, when we look at the list of tasks, it will actually put the playing games at index 0 because the priority level is lower than the playing room one. So for example, let's add another task. Finishing one, and let's put the priority level at 5. So now we can see that it will be sorted at the last one because it's the biggest priority. So now we will try to display the tasks based on index. For example, now I want to get a task for the index 1, which is cleaning room. So I just enter the index and we'll give the basically the task for the index 1, which is cleaning room and its priority. So yeah, and then for extra, I added the remove task function. So I just need to choose enter the index that I want to remove. For example, the cleaning room. So I just enter index 1, and the task is removed. So when we go back to look at the list of tasks, we can see that the index for finishing assignment is changed to 1 after the task, the cleaning room removal task is removed. So yeah, the remove task will basically move the index of the task afterwards and to make it proper as how the linked list is. So that's all. And if I do exit, it will just show prompt, and then it will just end program. So that's all for the assignment 1, and thank you.